Dumpling for days. Percy, rest of your chef tonight?
Yes, man. Me see a man, they're artist, not even props.
You're the artist? Yeah, man, the man the artist and chef. Plate there looking good, peeps. Dumpling. So, how that one takes so long on the table? That one they miss a plate, so what go on?
I feel one, man.
So, you not take you up, man? Because me just use me and take you up, you know. I know for your plate, that.
I don't want to have to
That a for your plate, man. See, Percy plate, yeah. Yeah, man, a Percy plate, that, man.
Yes, man.
See, artist wanna plate.
Oh, one more dumpling on artist plate. I want to deal with this.
Artist,
The ramp with me in a Percy.
hey, artist, clear me, I say, peeps.
Hey, look at that plate, the stand out,
Percy,
peeps.
two in a this in a one.
That man, that one, they're good looking. Me
Well, you see that plate, yeah? That plate I want there in a middle, peeps. It two stand out.
Two stand out.
Yeah, man. That plate there for there in a middle, man. Yeah, man. It look more bossy. The officer, well, it's a crave man plate that. No, you're not craving, just eat enough. So don't get it wrong. I know me make you can't eat enough food. I'll pumpkin with the peeps, your thing active, man. And so I go on here, so. Saltfish rundown, Percy production. Yeah, man. I don't know, man. But so empty.
Only no food left in next year, man.
Yeah, man, fully active. It's a leather.
Heaviest bit of food this year going to from here start. Do
Then food you make yellow.
from here start, the heaviest bit of food this year. Do then I am no blood clot good food. But I could
You do your thing, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, I see a Percy save you. What do you go hospital and a quarter pound of you like saltfish?
I'm going to see you.
And right now it's a pound of saltfish. We have a mash up. So in extra light.
More look for weight. I get a pound of saltfish.
Man,
I see
outside,
plate
people.
look somebody you do have.
Oh, you still want something else in a 5? Oh, you mean? See him
I
there?
mash up a whole place today, that's what.
Yo, we
Yeah,
outside.
man, I size up a boy Percy. I size.
Me take 5 to man. Yeah, man. Me take
Me Chibo! My riches is life. My riches is life. Right now, peeps, it's a free riches this. You mean? My riches is life. So me have life. Me not fear eat oxtail and them things there. Dumpling and butter. My riches that same way.
Alright.
Eee.
Send
Them can't stop me.